Runaikids.
Name the column from your right side. From this side as ones and tens. Add the numbers in the rightmost, that is 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. You can use a rough copy and you can add by drawing lines. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now count all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That is 11. That is 11. Here write down the ones number, that is 1, 1, and carry the tens number. This tens number, carry the tens number over the tens digit to the next column. Now again add the numbers of the tens place including the carry one. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Write down here. So 63 plus 28 is equals to 91. Now take some more bigger number. Again name the column from the right side as ones, tens, 100. Now add again from the right side. So 7 plus 8, 15. Write the ones place number, that is 5, and carry the tens place number to the next column. 1. Now add 3 plus 0 plus 1, that is equal to 4. Now add the 100 place numbers. 5 plus 3, 8. That is 537 plus 308 equals to 845. Again name the column as ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now add from the ones place 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. 4, carry over 1 to the next column. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 7, 7 plus 0 is equal to always 7. Now 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Again name the column as ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now add from the ones place 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. 4, carry over 1 to the next column. 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 7, 7 plus 0 is equal to always 7. Now 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. Take some more numbers. Again name the columns as ones, tens, 100, 1000. Now add from the ones place 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 5, 20. Ones place number is 0. Carry the tens place number to the next column, 2. Now add 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 3, 8. Now add the numbers at the hundred place. 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8.
Please like, share and subscribe.